In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automatic download link in Paperform. First, let's start by opening your browser and head over to Google Drive. Once you're there, navigate to the file you want to make available for download and hover over it. You should see three vertical dots appear, usually referred to as the More Actions menu. Click on these dots to open up several options. After clicking, a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, select Share. This option allows you to control who has access to your file and can help you generate a download link. After selecting Share, a dialog box will pop up, and here is where you need to look for the option that says Copy Link. Clicking Copy Link will automatically save the file's URL to your clipboard, and this link will play a pivotal role in the steps to follow, as it's what we'll use in Paperform. With your link copied, the next step is to head to Paperform. So, open a new tab in your browser and navigate there. Once on Paperform, you'll want to locate the form for which you would like to set up the automatic download link. Once inside the form editor, keep an eye out for the toggle switch labeled Enable Redirect on Submission. This switch ensures that after a user submits the form, they'll be automatically redirected to another page, which in this case will be your download link. Click on the toggle to enable it, and in the field that appears, paste the link you copied earlier from Google Drive. This will set the file to download automatically once the form is submitted. There's more you can do to customize this process, so let's move on to the next feature. Once you have pasted the link, look for the option that says Dynamic Success Pages and Redirects. Turning this toggle on will let you create success pages that adapt based on user inputs. Now, if this is something that interests you, go ahead and add a success page. It's easy, and it offers more flexibility in crafting user experiences. To do this, find the option to Add Page and click on it. Inside this new page, you'll see another toggle labeled Redirect to another URL. Make sure this is enabled as well. You will again paste the Google Drive URL into the provided field labeled Redirect URL. Finally, after setting everything up, navigate back to the editor interface. Double check your settings to make sure everything is in order, and when you're satisfied, click on Publish to make your changes live. This step is crucial because it ensures that everything is set properly and your form with the download link is now ready to be used. And there you have it. You now know how to create an automatic download link in Paperform. This feature can really streamline the process for users and save you time as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.